chapter, we will study about what is coding, what are the benefits of coding, and what is your sequence, right? So in this world, computer, you can see that they are present everywhere, right? Computer are in the phone, your watches, and even in your cars. So every computer works by the following instruction. What we give them instruction, right? Have you ever thought of creating your own computer instruction? So what is coding? Coding is a process of giving instruction to a computer so that you can perform a specific task, right? Unlike humans, computers are not naturally smart. Like we are naturally smart, but computer, they are not naturally smart. What we give instruction to them, right? So they need to be given a specific instruction in a language designed for them understood. Now, what are the benefits? The benefits of coding include enhances creativity, right? It helps in building logical thinking. It promotes problem solving, right? So it reaches maths skills and it enhances communication, right? These are the different benefits. So we use computer to play games, solve problems, play games, we do drawings, different things we do in the computer. They also helps us to work more efficiently, perform repetitive tasks, store and retain information, right? We create something new and to connect with our friends in the world. So everyone can learn to code it just like solving a puzzle or a riddle. So you may apply logical, try a solution, experiment and a little more. So and solve them. Now it's time to start learning to a code. Now what is a sequence? Let's study about the sequence. Sequence is a series of instruction. What it is a series of instruction to complete a task. Whatever task is given to a computer, like move on the cursor. When you have to move the cursor forward, you have to click on this side. Move one square backward, move one square down, move one square up, and this is connect, change to next color and fill with the square with color. So for example, move one square forward, move one square forward and fill in the square with color. So like this, your square will be filled, right? The code will be written like this. Now English sequence. Let's study about the English sequence. Let's study. Now what you have to do, you have to move the one square forward, then one square forward again, then fill with color. Like this we have filled with color. Now move square one forward and then down and fill the square with color. Now move one square backward. ठीक है, पीछे की तरफ मूव करेंगे and one square upward and one square forward and fill the square with color. Like this you can do the different steps and do it. So move the right, move left, move up, move down. These are the different concept of sequencings that we have studied, right? Now in the grid, your problem is to get the rabbit to the carrot. So you have to use minimum numbers of steps. How you will do the move down, move right, move down and move right, move down, move down, and then move right and move right, right? These are the different steps, what we call it sequence, right? Now we have completed this chapter. Hope you understood. Now let's meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.